And yeah, I have a mirror missing because a screw went loose and the mirror was hanging, so I removed it for now. Well, hello YouTube, this is Delhi Biker Boy, and no, I did not change my name. I am sticking to Delhi Biker Boy for now. Maybe I'll change my name later, maybe not, we'll see. So today I'm gonna talk about a thing I've been meaning to talk about for a very long time now, and that is a challenge that was given to me by Bullet Diaries to talk about, to give one safety tip, one road safety tip, and I failed to do this for a long time. I did not have a microphone at first, just the camera, so there were those problems. Then I fell ill, then there was some work and stuff, but I'm gonna be regular in vlogging now and starting now. So I thought about what tip I should give on road safety. A lot of thought went into it, and actually I came up with nothing because I could give you all sort of tips like wear safety jackets and do not lane split, always be in your lane, use indicators, etc. and etc. But it's all useless because I would be a hypocrite if I do that, because as you can see, I'm not wearing my armor, the jacket right now. I do not wear it regularly. I often overspeed, I lane split, I often forget to use the indicators.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys.
Yeah, so there are all those things. So I do not want to be a hypocrite. So I thought riding smart is a part of riding safe. If you ride smart, then you are already safe on the road. So there's one thing I do good, and I'm not claiming to be the best or something, but I am good at it, and that is lane splitting. I'm gonna teach you or show you how to lane split easily. It takes a lot of practice, but there are a few things you need to keep in mind while doing that. I went on the web to search articles or anything for that matter on lane splitting, if it's legal in India or not. I found a number of articles in US and other states as well, but in India I found no such law stating that lane splitting is illegal. So, and moreover, no one pays attention here. हमें तो लूट लिया मिलके टोल वालों ने.
This my shit. All the girls done.
Now there are a few things you need to keep in mind while lane splitting. One is observe. That is, observe the traffic movements in front of you, the speed and all that. Number two, anticipate the cars or the vehicles in front of you. You need to anticipate, you need to judge, are they gonna turn or are they gonna continue straight. Number three, if you have decided to overtake the vehicles from between the two vehicles, accelerate between the two vehicles, then do not go back on your decision. Accidents happen when people are caught between two minds whether to overtake or not. The confusion ends up in accelerating, then braking, and then accidents. So you don't want that. Give a horn or a high beam, dipper, to let them know that you're coming and you want the side. Now you can easily do that by observing the cars in front of you. Car A, car B, there's a way in between.
You have to trust your instincts too, though, and analyze it real quick and go.
Make sure the cars aren't drifting the lanes or reducing the gap between the cars is not reducing, and you can easily fit in the gap and go through. Like right now I can't, but now I can. If you wanna know how I made the sound of my bike so bassy, huh? Is that a word? I don't know. So if you want to know how I made the sound of my bike so bassy, so heavy, do let me know in the comment section if you want to see that. Wasn't much of a safety tip, but if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, then please do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.